Okay. Sorry about the delay. Been busy with work. I've been trying to get these videos done, but stuff going on at work and home, and I just got back from traveling. Trying to catch up on everything. Time to get back in the swing of things. Looking at all this crap. So, Scotty's been pumping out a lot of videos. I haven't had time to watch any of them, unfortunately, but the titles look great. Like, so many things that I want to get into. I don't know what he's saying, but I've been seeing these titles pop up on the notifications, and I really want to look at them. Alright, so this first one is... sorry. Gosh. Alright, so this first one, never do this when working on a car. It almost killed me. I can only imagine is not using a jack stand. Like, he's already claimed to not do that, and it is really, really stupid. But he's survived somehow so far. So let's see what almost killed Scotty.
Hornet Killer Force, Scotty, have you ever been injured while working on a car?
Oh, by the way, the store nearby, they got a new monster in. It's the actual American monster. I've never seen this one before. It's in a red can. I can't find the white can anywhere. They don't have it here. But they have this red can. I've been buying the Japanese can of Monster Zero, and it tastes crazy. But this is pretty good. But unfortunately, it costs almost here. It's really hard to find, and it's an import, so it costs almost like $3 or $4. Sucks. I'm so disappointed, but I get one a week.
Well, cuts and bruises sure all the time, but I'm always wearing my strong sunglasses. These are glass lenses, real strong. So
you shouldn't. Hey, if you have glasses on and they're actually made of glass, and you're working on a car, you should definitely put safety glasses on over it for sure. I mean, you should be wearing, if you're doing anything kind of dangerous, especially grinding or any kind of power tool, you should be wearing safety goggles. But glasses, he says they're strong, which they may be. It's better than nothing if you're doing something light, but they shatter if they do break, and you don't want glass shards in your eye. That's really bad. So that's he's acting like strong glasses are better than safety goggles, and no, they're not. Absolutely not. Because plastic will actually catch something and hold it, and it doesn't shatter. If glass gets penetrated, it shatters, and you got nothing.
Had any major problems. The only big thing that ever happened to me was I was dumb. I was working.
What? What? No way. That's a surprise.
And I was pulling the transmission off, and it slipped off the jack, and I put my hand under it to stop it. Well, the transmission landed on my finger and squashed it. Man, it was swollen up for weeks. It hurt like mad. And I can still feel it when it's going to rain, you know. I got like a weather finger. So my advice is, if you're working and you see something heavy falling, just get out of the way. Don't try to catch.
So he smashed his finger. It didn't almost kill him. Like, yeah, he said it hurts. I'm sure it did hurt. I'm sure it hurt like the dickens. But it didn't almost kill him. So that's what him and his clickbaity titles drives me nuts. Oh well. I'm just gonna skim through the rest of this and see what else he says.
I learned my lesson on that one. Your window. It was safer if you get in wreck. Like, here's the thing. Is the safety random? Ask Scotty, what's your opinion on a car using laminated glass on every window? Is the safety risk worth the benefits? Yeah, I think it is. Really. Here's the thing. A lot of people don't understand.
Safety risk worth the benefits. Yeah, I think he's worded that weird.
But originally, all the glasses were laminated except for the rear window. It was safer if you get in wrecks, you know? It's just the way the glass isn't going to come.
Well, Scotty,
it's going to stay.
Have you ever seen Team America World Police? Every time he does his hands, it reminds me of that scene where they're in Egypt, and the guy's in the back, and he's like, the puppet, and he's like, what is he saying? Shoot me, shoot me.
It doesn't break off in sheets.
He looks just like the puppet, like in the back waving.
And then they made them that way. And
I
now
don't care.
some of the people are going back to laminated glass because, yes, it actually is better for the people inside in your car.
So I think the reason they allow,
and you can't get out. It's very.
I think the reason they allow unlaminated glass on the side is because the glass is designed to buckle and break outward, and that's really important for extraction of people, like what he's talking about. He's saying you should have laminated glass, but if you don't,
it'd be hard to break them too.
Yeah, it's hard to get them out. So I think really it might be better on the side to not have laminated glass, so you can get out, especially for rescue personnel, firefighters and stuff.
Trade-off, but safety-wise, really, I think it's safer to have laminated glass because it's structurally stronger if the car rolls over and does stuff.
It doesn't help with the structure.
Everything inside. Smart thing to get rid of that Focus at 16 years old, and generally they always turn into money pits by then. If they haven't, they soon will. The Mazdas Miatas were cute little sports cars. You can have fun with them. One thing though, do not buy a Mazda Miata with an automatic transmission.
Scotty acts like automatic transmissions are the devil. It's so stupid. Automatic transmissions are okay for the most part. And some people just prefer an automatic transmission, especially if it's your daily driver, you're a commuter, and you're in a car for an hour plus a day. You don't want a manual. It's fine. Get a Miata with automatic. It's okay.
From back in those days.
Let's see what else he said.
S70. I don't know how capable. They can be fun. That sounds like a smart idea.
Take a bite of peanut butter.
TRL says, Scotty, can I remove a muffler on the 98 Volvo S70? I don't know how capable we are. If you can take it off and remove it. But if you do, it's going to make all kinds of noise, and eventually it won't.
Can I remove a muffler off my Audi? Does he not screen these questions? Like, does he not? Does he just open up a? I don't even know what I'm not even sure if he's on comments or if he's answering emails from. He has his little website network thing, which he's not very responsive. I know firsthand. I tried when he did a copyright strike on me, and I was trying to contact him. I couldn't get a hold of the method. So YouTube. If somebody does a content or a copyright strike against you, YouTube wants you to contact, the method is to contact them and basically work it out. I tried to contact him every way possible, through his website, through his emails, through YouTube, through everything, Facebook, Instagram. He blocked me after I tried to contact me. He blocked me on everything, and I don't know what his deal is. So I don't know if this is a stupid question. Why would he even bother?
Right, because the computer is going to flow and do any kind of emissions testing. You can really do whatever you want and then drive it around, but they're generally not.
I wish he would quit showing that map, because those places, it's not a state law for emissions. Sometimes it is. Sometimes it's by county or city. So stupid.
Really do whatever you want. Well, they're fine cars. Were crappy.
They're fine cars. Volvo. That's not one car that I would. A Volvo would be one car that I would put on I would kind of avoid car. The newer ones look nice, but that's definitely one car brand that I would not actively, but I would mostly avoid.
Fortune to repair when they went out. They were standard transmission ones, and the fast transmissions. Hey, they were. Transmissions.
Oh well. All right, guys. That's about all I'm gonna do for this one. It was a short one, but I saw that title and I wanted to get to it. So stick with me. I know things are kind of right now, but I'm trying to get back into things. So stick around, okay?